In Palm Bay, Florida, there's a space designed for the entire community. Spanning over 200 acres, Poppe Regional Park offers space to breathe, explore, and unwind. With lighted fields and courts, the park supports a wide range of sports and recreational activities. From walking trails to disc golf, every path invites movement at your own pace. Thoughtfully designed amenities make the park welcoming, accessible, and comfortable for all. At the heart of the park stands the Ted Whitlock Community Center, supporting programs and gatherings year-round. Poppe Regional Park isn't just a park, it's an investment in community.